Welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn more about tables, how to pivot it, and the essentials in creating a structured pivot data. A structured and compact data is always represented in a tabular format. A pivot table cannot function with an unstructured raw data. From this course, let's learn how to create tables and pivot them to categorize your data efficiently. We will learn the essentials in creating a pivot table and different fields in a pivot table. When you have a set of data, the first thing you need to check is what type of data it is and if the data is in order. Secondly, you need to check if there is any blank columns in the data. Thirdly, you need to check if the data is properly formatted. And finally, you need to see if your data has a unique heading. As we have formatted our data, let's go through it once. We have years as header in the first column, quarter as header in the second column, and sales by Apple, Samsung, Lenovo, etc. in the later columns. To create a table, we need to select the data. Click on any row and press shortcut key Ctrl+A. Excel will automatically detect the data range. Now press shortcut key Ctrl+T. You can also select the data by clicking on the row. Click on Insert tab and click on Table. Excel will detect the data range. Here we get an option which states My table has a header. Because Excel is smart enough to understand my data has a unique header. If your data does not have a unique header, Excel will give a unique header to the data. Now click on OK. Now my raw data is converted to a structured tabular data. Excel has activated a new tab called Design, which can be used to customize your data. We will cover this topic in the next section. Now let's create a pivot table with the same data. Select the data. Click on Insert tab. You will see two options, Pivot Table and Recommended Pivot Table, which means Excel is suggesting us this is the best pivot table design for this set of data. Let me maximize the tab. Now let's close this and click on the Pivot Table button. First field shows the table and the range of the selected data. You can also get the data from an external source as discussed earlier. In the next option, Excel is asking where exactly you want the pivot data placed. You can either select a new worksheet or an existing worksheet. Let me select the second option. Select the cell where you want the data to be placed and click OK. Now, Analyze tab and Pivot Table field list is activated. You can hide or unhide the field list by clicking here. You can customize field list look by clicking here. Pivot function has 4 fields. Filter, when you want to filter your data. Column represent column values. Rows represent row values, and values represent numerical values. Now, let's drag and drop year and quarter in the row field and sales in the value field. Now we get the values as per each quarter, each header, each year, and overall grand total in all 4 years. Simple as that. Now, you are able to understand the difference between a table and a pivot table. Well, here ends this chapter. Learn more from the next chapter.